Hi kitty cats. So you haven't seen me in a while. I think my last video was maybe around the 1st of October, and now we're at the end of October. I was sick for most of the month. And when I say sick, my psoriatic arthritis got out of control, to the point where I couldn't walk. I was needing to use a cane, and even then there were a few times that getting to the bathroom was incredibly difficult, even though it was close by. But that was about the most I could do. We took me to get blood work, and we had to use a wheelchair to get me into the hospital. My knees and my ankles just didn't want to work. They were completely stiffened up. And my hands also were having issues, so I couldn't really do makeup. I couldn't do a lot of things, and I became incredibly depressed as well, because I was wondering if I was ever going to start a medication that was going to help at all again, like when I was on Remicade. And of course Remicade had stopped working, so that's why they were looking for something new. I can't remember what medication they wanted to put me on. I think it was Cosentyx, but the insurance wouldn't do it until I'd tried other medications. So I am now, I took the second dose this week of Enbrel. And it does help my arthritis already, which I was told it would take like a month to 3 months for it to start working. But it immediately started helping with the arthritis. I still hurt. I actually had a pretty bad day today, but I can walk without needing the cane. And that makes a huge difference. My psoriasis, however, is still really bad. So I don't know if they'll keep me on this med, because if it doesn't work for both things, they might not. However, it might take months for it to start working for the psoriasis, so they're probably going to keep me on it for at least a few months. So, skin's looking awful, which is why I'm mostly covered up, because it's so bad, like, I don't like people seeing it. But I will show you that it's even on my hand a little bit. It's starting to show up on my hand. It's just awful. But hopefully the Enbrel will start working for it. But you are not here to just talk about why I haven't been here. So I'm gonna do a boxy charm, because I wanted to put something out. I feel bad. I haven't done any Halloween stuff this year. You guys know that's like one of my favorite times, and I'm always so really into it, and I do all these looks on Instagram, and none of that happened this year because of how unwell I was. And I bought makeup, special makeup and everything. I had plans, but it just wasn't gonna happen. It wasn't to be this year. But I'm thinking, at least I'm all set for next year, right? Like, I've already got plenty of ideas and stuff set up for next October. So 2021, hopefully I'll be feeling good and be able to do all those looks. But in the meantime, I've got my witch's hat, and I'm gonna open up this boxy charm. I have no idea what's in here. I haven't looked or anything. Only thing I did was cut it open so that it would be easy for me to open right now. Ooh, very colorful here. Boxy charm candy shop. And that lists everything on here. To start off with, let's look at this. Dose of colors. Meet your hue. Full coverage concealer in the color light. And how much is this? This is usually $24. $24. I don't use concealer that much anymore, but I'll definitely give this a try. If I can get it open. There we go. My hands are still a little weak. I do like the applicator, the dough. foot there. Seems pretty nice to me. Yeah, so that's cool. I said I don't use concealer really anymore. I kind of stopped using it, but we'll see how I feel about that. We've got, I assume this is going to be brushes. I don't know what else would come in something like this. Luxie, yeah, these are brushes. Let me find it on here. Luxie Wonderlust set. This is $40. Yes. You know me, I love brushes. All great brushes for your eyes. And Luxie is just a great product. Let me just feel one of these. Very soft. But not overly soft. Not so soft that you know it's not gonna like do the job. Do you know what I mean? Like I've had some brushes that are so soft that they don't blend well. They're just too much. It's nice to have softness for, you know, because it feels nice, but just, if it's too soft that it doesn't blend anything, what's the point? Okay, this is Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Kiss Tinted Cupaco Lip Butter. I don't know if I'm saying that right, Cupaco. $20. Can always appreciate a new lippy. Oh, I like the packaging. That's cute. Let's see. Okay. Very light color. Not really my color, but it is a fall looking color. I do like the packaging a lot. Hey, focus again. Hello. Hello. Okay, there we go, finally. So what else do we got here? Okay, 2 more things. Ace Beauty Dry Lip Liner. Don't really use lip liners anymore. I've stopped using so many things. Like, I guess I don't do the full face as much as I used to. But then again, I barely put makeup on anymore. So it came with 2 lip liners. That's nice. 2 lip liners. Ace Beauty Dry Lip Liner Duo. This is usually $16 for 2 lip liners. I think that's a good deal. We've got a red and sort of a brown color. And you know what? Lip liners, sometimes I use them for like eyeliners and when I'm doing like very interesting looks or to draw lines on my face for whatever reason. But yeah, so those actually look really nice. I think it's a really good deal too. So last of all, of course, we got a palette here. What is it? Looking for it on here. Beauty Bakery Breakfast in Bed Eyeshadow Palette. I don't think I have any Beauty Bakery stuff. This is cute. Cute packaging. Open it up. We've got some very basic kind of colors here for fall. This is definitely a nice fall eyeshadow palette. I'm not sure if it's really for me though. I might pass this one on to my daughter.
What?
Eyeshadow palette.
Oh, I have mango in my teeth.
Mango in your teeth. So, yeah, I think I'm gonna give this one to her. It is really nice. It's just I don't wear like really, I don't know. It seems like I have a lot lately of eyeshadow palettes and So I'm gonna pass this one on to her just because I have so much. But I'm gonna keep the concealer and try it, and keep the lip liners and the lipstick and try them. I think they all, and of course I love the brushes. Thank you, BoxyCharm. Luxie brushes are always appreciated. And it's not that I don't like the eyeshadow palette. I do. I think it's a really nice one, and it's $38 worth. And but I just feel like I have so many eyeshadow palettes lately, and I have another one that I literally just ordered in our eyeshadow palette because I'm crazy. And I'll be showing you guys that when it comes in, and hopefully I'll have a Halloween look for Halloween. So, and you'll get to see that. Let's do at least one look, right? So that is that. And I hope you enjoyed this. And see you all again soon. I miss you guys. I hope you're having a happy fall season. Bye-bye, kitty cats.